and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Youth Convention Cross receives grand welcome in Shillong. MBOs to declare SSLC results on April 5th. CRPF personnel fires in self-defense. One injured in Mendipathar incident. And Maula Youth Association presses PHE for water supply completion. And now the news in detail. Leaders and members of the Indian Catholic Youth Movement ICYM Shillong Archdiocese warmly welcomed the convention cross at the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians, Lajumkra. The cross arrived from Nongstoin after its journey from Guwahati and Tura. Youth from across the state, along with Archbishop Victor Lingdo, priests and faithful, gathered for the event. Reverend Father John, MSFS, highlighted the cross's purpose of uniting youth across all 15 dioceses in Northeast India. The journey will culminate in Kohima during the Northeast Youth Conference from June 27th to 30th.
Northeastern Regional Youth Commission, the Indian Catholic Women Northeast. Thank you, Mr. the Vice President, and all of you, dear Exco of SCYM, and also in particular, thank you, Your Grace, for your support, and also the DYD, Father Generis, also the ADYD, Father Cyrus, and all of you, dear young people. Your presence here means a lot, for in Christ everything is possible, and without Christ nothing is possible. We, in view of the upcoming 5th Regional Youth Convention, which is to be held in Kohima at Mary Help of Christians Cathedral from 27th of June through 30th of June. So in view of that, the preparation has been taking the convention crows to all the 15 dioceses. The Northeastern region is consisting of 15 dioceses. So we began the very first journey from the Archdiocese of Guwahati on 9th of March. And today, this very diocese is the 10th diocese that the Regional Youth Convention crows has arrived to. Yesterday it was in Nongstoin Diocese, therefore yesterday it was in Tura Diocese, and we could see the thronging of the young people towards the crows to pray and let the powerful graces and blessings be descending upon the young people. And when you pray, when we young people pray, whom Jesus loved, for he is so young to receive the young with all of heart, he listens to each one of us. This is the convention crows. There is pilgrim crows, there is youth crows, there is jubilee crows. Convention crows is what is now with us, and this convention crows reminds us of then Holy Father Pope John Paul II in the year 1983 and 1984. 1983 he opened the holy door of the Holy Year of Redemption, and in the year 83 he closed the Holy Year of Redemption, and before closing he said, young people, I give you this cross. And the cross was weighing, not the weight, the length was 3.8 meters, and he wished that the cross be at the side of the altar at St. Peter's Basilica. And so at the close of the Holy Year of Redemption, he handed over to the young people saying that this cross has to move resembling, that's exactly showing and telling us that this cross is to be carried. My dear young people, at the conclusion of the holy year, I entrust you the very sign of this Jubilee year, the cross of Christ. Carry it throughout the world as a symbol of Christ's love for humanity and announce to everyone that only in that.
The Meghalaya Board of School Education (MBOS) has officially announced that the results of the Secondary School Leaving Certificate (SSLC) examination will be declared on April 5, 2025. This announcement was made by T.R. Lalu, Director of Accreditation and Examination. Students can access the complete result booklet online at the official MBOS website www.mbos.in. The board clarified that results will not be available at the MBOS offices in Tura or Shillong. Students can also check their results on other official websites including www.mbos.in, www.mbosresults.in and www.megresults.nic.in. A 28-year-old man sustained bullet injuries in an accidental firing incident involving CRPF personnel on duty near Pushpa Cloth Store, Mendipathar Bazaar around 11:30 p.m. on April 2nd. A speeding white car AS01AM 7750 approached the patrolling team in a rash and negligent manner, allegedly attempting to run over CRPF personnel. Despite efforts to stop the vehicle, the driver accelerated to escape. In self-defense, a CRPF Jawan cocked his AK rifle while trying to open the car door, during which it accidentally fired, injuring Neobirth R. Marak, seated in front the passenger seat. He sustained bullet injuries on both thighs and was referred to a higher health facility after initial treatment. Both Marak and driver Sengrim K. Sangma were found intoxicated. Legal proceedings are underway. Concerned over the delay in the water house connection projects, leaders of the Meghalaya Youth Association met with Chief Engineer PHE Ba R.S. Nongbri to seek answers. Following the meeting, Association President Samuel Biam stressed that access to drinking water is a fundamental necessity for every household in Meghalaya. In response, the Chief Engineer CE assured that the department would take action but emphasized that the project is complex and cannot be completed hastily. The association remains firm in its demand for timely completion to address the community's long-standing water supply issues.
Lupa kumbasan protam de nakaliang kadno tamli nong song snap de gini gidi benta ka bangi la song se i ban nakaliang jong iru isu tho e kane benta basian in sim khya e kane ka kam de ka kawai patro sa kawai pat ka benta ka long ba habidi ba kane jingli ye gini ki pai lu po molai ni ba kidang dar ki benta ki barang satek tengila stress bhai kane ka benta ru ngiom ba kane ka kam ka slong tang pa frame ma ka slong tang pa frame ka ba i poison snur tengila stress bhai kane ka benta ka long ba ngila tua jumut ai ba ngila kelir ka iga pelong ye kane de la dap itu ingin ma ngi tep tu di ulain jong ka phase 3 dan rei la ka dim kana ka phase 3 jong ka gerta Shillong kana ru ka banwan ko natri na po mau plak kampat sim la poison snuru nakaliang jong iru yong ba iya kani ka bentaru in sa sim khya ka ba sian in sa kin sale ya ka testing ye kane na mata kini ki pai khana ban lap ya hanu gidan ke jing bakla hanu gidan ke jing duna bala dan kam nang extension suru ya kata ka bentaru nakaliang jong i la ong ba sim khya ba sakui perlu bentangan itu ipi ka snu mulai ngam dan bok plak gidan ya ka GGM scheme pi kadang ko Shillong bentang kini ki sau snong ani thu pi ka nong kwar ko thlong ka mauyong rim kini ki khmil ti bha ban urlong no kloi ka pi ka jing trai ka te ka kam kanika GTM scheme te kanika kam hadut mataro kadang supi bha kanika ya kaniru ni thui pi kinong song tila persngo bha saka seng ya kanika pentaro rek ai kepesultanan kalong ba nakaliang jong kitu kidar barsnong jong kini ki sausnong kata ko bang oi pi mene kiniru kla sim khia bha kan stat nak kanika kam dam ta ka jingdon kam dari pai ba song te nakaliang jong iru ngila persngo namar bangila yo komplin nakaliang jong ki pai nak song jogo tu godong kathai tinggal ada persngo ya ECE ya kanika pentar ba in penstet ba in kentu ya kanika company bakan tracker bakan penstet ya kontrak kam ke jong i kenapa kin pot nolong no ya kanika jong agnut jong pai ba namar kanika scheme yo si kadon nak jengkut katar kanika jong nong pai ba te henry na kata long ni stress ya i ba in sim khia kani hari ko sotna namar nang ai khoble gitu gitu barsnong jong ki sausnong ki ba sim khia lang ya kanika kam ba nakaliang jong iru ngila ada persngo so i ba nakaliang jong ECE ila ada ong ba in sakhat meeting sian ya new company ba un straight penstet ya kanika kam khanang ba in pun orlong no ekta ka jong agnut jong kipat ba nak song jong to godong ka thai ke jong i te ta kani ka dik benta ka ba khrau e ka ba pisu thu ko umpa umbi ka dik benta ka ba kong san jong wei pu wei ka long yeng jong wei pu wei brio te kani ka dik basic necessities ka ba angi wei pu wei man ka singi dan kap te de hello kani ka nong rem ngi wan na benta ka dik jeng e jong kipat ba song jong i hadir bang yo e complain nomor ila diru ifia se ka ta problem te de hello ta ka nong rem na ka liang ka seng ngi wan ban ko ngoni kendo i bat na ka ba e ku sutrat kolong ban ka liang isi ila ong ba inom la ban le state e kani ka kam ka ba kham slam ba kham juan te insa pentit yang isian ya kani insa kan simpor kumba sibrala ni arunal ya kan bakade kapur ngin yesha ya kata manggil aplas lam bak ni kermen skam bak kam botorlong na butakan ni kejeng angno jadi pai ba nak so to kesna bola tetangkan ni hin kaliang jongi bak ya kani kejeng mani kendu jongi kamkut tangkat ni ngin sapha ya kani ke city ke jongi sau MLA badan borom jongi ba price tarwal marpenyang kumjur usu MDC badan borom jongi ba edison kharum noi bat kumjur usu kini ki nongyam stong jadi kirang ba stong nagi dong pher
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.